Hello everyone, and this is the Dage Bros, and that's Wolf Money.
Hello.
So today we're gonna be mugging Damien with monkeys around his neck. Alright, let's go. Hold on, get your weapon. Here's our little mugger. Let's do this.
Gage, get out.
We're mugging you. Give us all your money in movies. Oh God, he's coming.
Smell it and I'll let you go. No, I'm not gonna smell it and I'll let you go. Alright, I'll break your arm. Smell it and I'll let you go. Ow. Ow.
Our little mugger is getting the crap kicked out of him.
Smell it.
Oh fuck, murder. I didn't sign up for this. Well guys, that's it for today. So